to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a questions that is a write a Java program to check character is an alphabet or not. So basically, we just check that whatever the characters we will get it from the dynamic inputs by using the scanner class. We will check that character is numbers or alphabet. So let's implement this. So to implement this, first of all, we need a scanner class. We just imported, which is present in java.util package. Just write it as scanner over here and control and space button. I'm getting SCA. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm getting that scanner class, which is from the java.util package. And just enter it. See, the import is here. Now scanner scan is equal to a new scanner class. Okay. This is the constructor of a scanner class. Inside of this, get the input from the system in by the using the system stream input. Okay. So after importing this, we just need sys out over here uh, and write in the character. That means we don't know what kind of characters they were entering, but we have to check it. So first of all, we need variables is a char type of variables. Okay, that is a char ch. The name of the variable is equal to scan, which I take scan over there. See, as you can see here, what we have a scan over here, a scan over here. So with that by using that object, we have to get the method which is present in a scanner class. Just type it with next and dot caret is 0. Now what we have to so uh, now what we have to do, we just need our else if conditions. By using this, we just have to check easily what characters people can enter. And I will check that character is an alphabet or not. Simply inside of this, just need one more bracket. Inside of this, ch is greater than is equal to a. Okay, inside of the single quotes a and means both should be true. So ch is less than is equal to the condition is here as z. So what we have to do, we just have to print is a alphabet, but people might be enter the ca capital characters. For that reasons, we need one more condition over here or operator and one more bracket inside of this. We just take ch is greater than of is equal to in the single quotes capital A. The value of the capital A is a different that is called the ASCII values and the small a characters the ASCII value is different. That is why we have to just mention that what we have to check. Okay. For that reasons we need two things over here and ch is less than is equal to capital chat over here and then sys out ch just print the values whatever the values are getting from the input in the dynamic input and inside of this just like is an alphabet over here. What if not, then what should do? Just use else and sys out system dot out dot println ch plus is not an alphabet. So this is the very easy programs. There is nothing more complex here. We just need these conditions to check that values is alphabet or not. Basically here we just specify the length, that is A to Z, and you have to check from this range that value is a alphabet or not. So let's run this and see what we'll be getting. Uh, yeah, we will getting the enter character. Let's suppose we just enter A over here and enter it. See, A is an alphabet. That means working properly. Again, run it and check what if I enter 5 over here. See, sorry, 5 is not alphabet. Let's write again and let's check special characters like hash over here and enter it. See, hash is not alphabet. What if we will enter the small characters like A? The A is an alphabet. That means our logic is fine and working right. I hope you will understand these videos. Guys, in these days, our video is going to late. Sometimes it's 1 day, 2 day, 3 day because of I'm a little bit of busy. So that's why I'm getting the late of the upload the videos and making videos. I hope you will understand. And thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking a small pills of knowledge every day.